Winning 8-ball pool is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, try to practice regularly. The more you play, the better you will become. Practice helps improve your shot accuracy, positioning, and ball control. Develop a consistent and accurate aiming technique. Take your time to line up your shots and consider the angle and spin. Know the rules of the 8-ball pool. Understanding the rules, including fouls, is crucial. Familiarize yourself with both standard and specific house rules. Break strategy. A good break involves keeping the cue ball in the center of the table and spreading the balls evenly. After the break, evaluate the table and decide whether to go for solids or stripes based on the initial layout. Think ahead and plan your next few shots. Consider the position of the cue ball after each shot to set up for the next one. Control the cue ball. Learn to control the cue ball's position by using proper angle, spin, and speed. If you don't have a clear shot, consider playing a safety shot. Leave the opponent in a difficult position or hide the cue ball behind other balls. Keep your emotions in check and stay focused on the game. Emotional reactions can lead to mistakes. Use losses as opportunities to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy.